guys, it's Trish again with another totally dazzled idea. Hey, I'm going to give you guys a brief synopsis of this video, and then I'm going to be quiet and let you watch it because it's pretty much self-explanatory. But if you have any questions, leave it for me in the comment section and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Now, I got the glasses from Dollar Tree. The Bling Mesh and the Brooches that you will see in this video came from Totally Dazzled, and the flowers came from Walmart. Now, what I would encourage you guys to do is to cut your Bling Mesh from Totally Dazzle into single strips, because I tried to use, I think it was a 7 wide strip piece of mesh, and it just did not turn out right for me. So I would encourage you guys to stick to the single strips. It is better to handle and to maneuver that way. I'm trying to think. I think that is all I wanted to say to you. And also, if you want a more permanent hold, use E6000 or some type of adhesive glue. Here I'm using Gorilla Glue in my glue gun because eventually I'm going to take it apart. I think that's all I wanted to let you guys know. So if you have any questions, please hit me up in the comment section and I'll definitely get back with you as soon as I can. Guys, thanks so much for following my channel and for watching. I appreciate your support, and I will talk to you soon. And if you want to see me create something, please just leave it in the comment section and I will do my very best to get to it. So talk to you guys soon. You have a beautiful, blessed day, and God bless each and every one of you. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.